Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the clip into your timeline and locating the exact frames to remove. Use J/K/L playback to scrub to the first unwanted frame. Once you have a visual cue, zoom in to frame-level view so your cuts land precisely. Turn on snapping for fast alignment and decide whether ripple delete is helpful. Leave it off if you want to manually close gaps. Make sure the playhead sits on the first frame to remove before you perform the first cut. Now you cut the clip at the first unwanted frame, then move to the last unwanted frame and cut again. That creates a middle segment to remove. Once done, select that segment, unlink audio if you intend to remove only visuals, so you don't accidentally drop dialogue. Next, choose Ripple Delete to automatically close the gap, or Lift/Remove to leave empty space for later filler. If you use Ripple, watch downstream clips shift. Make sure transitions and keyframes still align. Finish by smoothing the edit. Choose a short crossfade or adjust adjacent clips to create a match cut so the action reads cleanly. Once done, render a short preview and watch at full speed and slow motion to confirm audio continuity and visual pacing. Make sure no frames repeat or stutter. If you notice artifacts or visible jumps, undo the delete and try frame blend or optical flow retiming, or nudge frames by one to fix motion mismatch. This single troubleshooting tip solves most visible glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.